Good morning and welcome to the dictation of Group 8, Week 6. I'm going to read to you the sentences and you have to write down the words. In English, of course. And it's Unit 3 from Explorers. So here we go. The dog ran around the house 5 times. Write down around. Around. I put my school books in my backpack. Write down backpack. Backpack. I don't like sitting in between my mom and dad. Write down between. Between. My favorite car is an Aston Martin Vanquish. Write down car. Car. I am going to cover the table with a cloth. Write down cover. Cover. We saw a crash. The car was badly damaged. Write down damage. Damage. Did you do that? Write down did. Did. Can I have a drink of orange juice, please? Write down drink. Drink. Feeling an earthquake can be really scary. Write down earthquake. Earthquake. I have eaten enough food. Write down enough. Enough. Okay, so now I read from top to bottom all the words and you can check if you wrote them correctly. Around, backpack, between, car, cover, damage, did, drink, earthquake, and enough. Okay, so now I take my eraser and I erase these words. And I'm going to check the words with you. The first word is around. 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 The second word is backpack. Rugzak. Backpack. Back. Back. Between. Tussen. Between. Car. Car. Okay, did you check these words? Because I'm going to erase them again to write the next words. Cover. Cover. Damage. Damage. Did. In the beginning of the sentence and also in English, then we start with capital. Drink, just like in Dutch. Drink. Earthquake, that's a difficult one. Earth, aarde, quake. And it betekent aardbeving. Enough, genoeg, enough. Enough is enough. Okay, these are the words in English. I wish you good luck with practicing them. You can practice, make flip cards and with the Dutch word on one side and the English word on the other side, and you can practice. See you again at the end of the week. Bye bye.